Hey, what is going on there YouTube? This is Robert and today I'm bringing to an unboxing, which I'll turn very slowly, for a couple of different pieces. So we've got Supreme Palace and a pair of Nike Dunks. So yeah, obviously the main part of this is going to be for the Smurfs collaboration from last week being week 6. And yeah, that's basically it at the end of the day. So as per normal, let me know down below whether your items have arrived from week 6 yet. If they have, are you going to be stocking, rocking or reselling what you picked up? And other than that, were people able to get box logos yesterday? Because I wasn't, obviously. So yeah, I'm going to be going through all the comments and everything later on today because there are a few and I do like to just go through and respond to all of them. So I think I've got like 120 or so to reply to, which take me a little bit of time, but it's all good. But yeah, that is basically going to cover it. We're just going to get straight into this and yeah, that's basically it. So obviously I ended yesterday on a little bit of a sour note, obviously with the Supreme drop. To be honest, I tried to check out things after I had uploaded and everything, after everything had been done, and I still couldn't check anything out. So whether that's Supreme or whether that's like IP based, because I saw a lot of people say it could be IP based, then I don't know. But yeah, today we've got a couple of different things, which is good to have a little bit of variety to go through. And yeah, before we just get into things, I just want to mention a Discord group called The Lab. I was meant to mention this last week when I unboxed the Air Force One because they were the reason that I was able to get the Air Force One, because their monitor showed me that it restocked, but I just completely forgot about it, which is just my bad. So I've left a link down below and in the description. They've been free for like quite a couple of months, to be honest, but I've only been in there for about a month and a bit or so. And yeah, they're going paid, I believe, on the 1st of November, but until then it's free. They've got monitors, brick flips, all different things like that. It's mainly UK, EU based. But yeah, it was my bad not to mention them because they were the reason why I was able to get that Air Force. Otherwise I would have just been sitting on the Yohji Yamamoto sweater and I wouldn't have gone onto the Air Force. So yeah, anyway, let's just get straight into things pretty much. We might as well go left to right this time because why not? So we're obviously going to kick things off with the obvious dunk. My first off-white dunk and my second like off-white piece after the Prestos, because the Prestos are long gone by this point. I sold them like a year ago now. But yeah, so I can't even open the box and it's not even to unbox it, like it's already open and I can't even. There we go anyway. So obviously these are from the recent Nike Off-White Rubber Dunk release, where you had 3 colorways in different, locations, being like Europe, America and Asia. A lot of people in Europe wanted the pairs that released in America because they just liked the colorway more. Personally, I mean, if you get a pair, you get a pair at the end of the day. That's the thing that matters to me, to be honest. If I can end up with a pair, I will be quite happy. And yeah. So here they are the like, they're the like UNC colorway, people have called them. Personally for me, I think they'll grow on me. At like this point in time, I don't know how I feel about them still, but I definitely think they'll grow on me. And I mean, in any case, getting a pair for retail isn't too bad, because I know people in America who wanted to buy pairs or their colorways had to pay like, I think someone paid $310 or $320 for a pair out there. Currently, I think they're sitting at like £250 to like £300-ish. So probably about the same in America, maybe a little bit more in America, depending on like the like currency conversion. But yeah, I mean, they're cool. At the end of the day, it's an off-white dunk. There's nothing that I can really say about it personally. It just speaks for itself. It can't focus for itself, but it can speak for itself. And yeah, personally, I don't think they're as good as the previous Off-White Dunks, just because I love that pine green colorway. I mean, as soon as pine green is in the title to something, that's it for me. Like it's almost like an instant like love for it, or green, maybe even in the title. It's like an instant voice crack, but it's like an instant thing that I just like it. So that's why I like those a bit more than these in the end, just because that pine green it just really does stand out for me, and I really do like the colorway. But yeah, I think these will grow on me. There's nothing else to really say for them. That's it, pretty much. Okay, next up we're moving on to Palace, where for Palace, I didn't actually add the correct thing to cart. I was going for a triple cart, and I realised that I didn't add it to cart. until I checked out. When I checked out, I then looked to the right and realised that I didn't. So it happens. But yeah, I probably ordered things that are still in stock now. I just bought them because at the end of the day I really like collecting one of the things, and the other thing I thought that I could get because I might give to like my brother or something for Christmas maybe. As per norm, we got one of their stickers. Then obviously I bought the sticker pack because basically I was going to, or I thought I added the Tri-Lager tea. I didn't. My bad, you know. But I thought that they dropped the Palace Story tea on that week because that's what normally happens, or so I thought, but they didn't. So yeah, I was going to get the tea and the sticker pack together, but instead they dropped the Tri-Lager. I tried for that, I thought I added it, I didn't. That's me being me. The other thing I bought were just this is the thing that I'll probably give, the little boxing gloves that you can probably hang like in your car. So yeah, I thought it was just it's just a little thing at the end of the day. I don't think they're sold out by like a long shot. I think they're still in stock. It's not focusing, but yeah, there they are. They're just very basic, and that's just going to be for him. So yeah, put them to the side. So next up, we move on to Supreme for the Smurf week at the end of the day. It went quite well, to be honest, the Smurf week for me. You know, I got what I was after. Unfortunately, the week that's just gone, I didn't, because I would really liked the sticker packs or the box logo sticker, because I do like to have like one of those at least from each season in like my collection. But you know, Supreme have got me with 2 basic ones again, so thank you for that. And we have the beanie, which, yeah, it's all in... That is off center like anything, but it's all embroidered, and like and yeah, the back text, I'm guessing it's like this, it's going to be like this for most people unless it's meant to be like this, but it might, no, it's not my eyes. I was going to say it might just be my eyes, but it's not. It is very off center, as you can see. I hope that that's like on purpose, because otherwise that'd just be annoying that I've got like a misprint of it being like out of it. But anyway, it's embroidered. Yeah, it's embroidered all the way down as well, which is cool. So yeah, I'll take that. I'm happy about that. It's a cool beanie at the end of the day. I was actually quite disappointed by the tee in the end. I thought that I liked it, but I mainly just liked the back font. The actual graphic itself, once I looked at it properly, because it didn't sell out quickly or anything, it was a bit underwhelming in the end. So yeah, now we move on to one of the most important pieces from last week, which a lot of people have had theirs come with either scratches, chips taken out of them, like everything's gone wrong. So I hope that mine is all okay, because that would be a big pain if it is damaged or something, because I was just going to put it straight into my collection at the end of the day, but we'll have to see how that goes. But yeah, let me just open this. I'll take like a couple minutes, so I'll come back to you when I'm done. Okay, so it took me about 4 minutes, but we've got it open near enough. So yeah, let me get this out, and hopefully mine is not, I thought that was damaged for a second. Hopefully mine is all good and okay, and so far so good. Just taking a look. Yeah, I think mine's safe and sound, and that looks really cool. So obviously you've got the standard where it's just got Smurf, and then you've got a little Smurf sticker actually, which they've obviously put in. But the main part, is that a scratch? That might be. But anyway, the main part, and that is a scratch as well. Actually, it's got a lot of little scratches and marks, which you'll see in a second. But obviously, the main part is going to be there. That's cool, yeah. I'm really happy with that. Purple probably would have looked sick, but personally, red, it's great. It's the closest thing we're going to get to like a Kermit-esque deck at the end of the day. And yeah, let's just go like up close. You can probably possibly see scratches, maybe not, but yeah, there are a couple on it, but at the end of the day it's not really going to affect me because it's just going into my collection. So yeah, I would have liked to have got the purple as well, but I mean, I'm happy with this one. And obviously Supreme being Supreme, they got to treat us with a couple of box logo stickers again, so there we go, that's that. But yeah, that is going to cover this video pretty much. That is everything. And yeah, but I've got like not a lot to say apart from that. Unfortunately, obviously, I'm not really going to have anything for next week, so I would have liked to have had a personal, but yeah, it just hasn't worked out, so that's that, you know, it happens. I'm pretty sure I've got a spare bag that I can put this in, which would be decent, but yeah, that is that, really. So as always, let me know down below whether your things arrived, whether they've arrived with a scratch, whether you've got the beanie and whether this is how it's meant to be or whether mine's really off center. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Also, obviously, let me know if you went for Palace today, because I was in Discord in the lab actually, talking with people because one of them just had the drop up. They added like an XL in the hoodie that they released for the Palace collab today, and it was sold out in like 40 seconds. So yeah, a lot of the stuff went quickly from that collab, but I'm still just waiting for the Palace story or police story tee. But yeah, that is going to cover this video anyway. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a good day, and I will see you all next time. Peace.